And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create neon shapes in Adobe Photoshop. You'll find the image via the description link below, and we'll use the polygon tool to create a triangle. The triangle has 3 sides, so type it in the top menu. We don't want to have a fill color. For stroke we'll use white, and I'll increase the stroke weight. Let me try 25 pixels. Now I left click and drag, and I hold shift so that the triangle is aligned correctly. Then I press Ctrl A to select it all, and I use the top menu with the move tool to put it into the center. Then I use the arrow keys to put it a little bit upwards. Let me rename that to triangle, then right click blending options. And we'll use an inner and an outer glow. For the inner glow I'll use the blending mode multiply, a red color, go down with the opacity, maybe to 30–40%. You don't want to have much noise for the inner glow, just a little bit. Should be fine. For the technique, softer should be good here. For the inner glow you've got these size points where they are too big or too small. You'll have to find them. It depends on the size of the object that you've created. For the outer glow I want to have screen as a blending mode. Opacity much higher, 70% here. I go even further down with the noise. Once again I've got red as a color. Go upwards with spread and size entirely, then go down with the spread first. Then continue going down with the size, and I want to have pre-size as a technique. So that's fine for this example. You can always just double click on the effects and adjust them further. Let me show you this with the inner glow. Here's without it. I'll make it visible, double click. And if I play around with the size now, you can see at some point it disappears automatically. And I think that looks fine. So the inner glow almost disappears. Outer glow looks good. Let us add a layer mask if you want to add this effect. Use black and white as colors, black as a foreground color, then use the brush tool, and you can get rid of parts when you paint on your layer mask. But it's a little bit imperfect, so right click blending options, and you can use layer mask hides effects. And now you've got a very clear cut, so if you want to add that effect, make sure the box is checked. I don't want to have a layer mask here at all, so I'll delete it, right click, delete layer mask. And that's it. This is how you can add neon shapes to your photos in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.